Okay. Okay. Yay.
I made this own craft.
You made it by yourself alone? Oh. What?
I had to. A magic key.
No way. You have to get a little more longer. That's it, Adam. That's it. That one. No, the other one. That one. The other one beside your knee. That one over there. Yes. Oh, see? There you go. It works? Oh, no, it's not. Oh, you're experimenting, Adam.
You're bad.
Yeah.
You're a bad kid like that.
You're a bad kid. No, you're not.
There are bad kids like this.
Yeah.
How can you put a couple on you?
Come on, do it now.
Okay, nuts. I'm just going to like put this on this.
Okay.
Like that, and then Shima.
Ay, warning! Battery is too low.
Oh yeah.
Almost. What?
Is the battery still full?
Still too low now. Okay, go ahead.
Is it low?
Can you run? Who's that? Henry? Henry. Bah.
You want me to pull the train?
Yeah.
He knows that old car.
This one.
I know. We played that car.
Oh, yeah, what's there? Tons of it. Okay, do it.
Now, whose turn, Mom?
Whose turn? Ashima.
Ashima? You know any names?
Ashima and the Mega Blocks.
No.
Ah.
Hello.
Hello.
I haven't watched Carson Sunday.
Yeah. Okay. Do it then. Ashima is on the go. There. Almost done.
Done now? I have to say bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.